Burundi. Yeah, we will visit Burundi. Yes. Yes.
All right, so what's next? What's next?
The press conference? So we got the Van Beach.
Nice to be in Burundi again. So the show, man, the show time, Friday, Saturday, turn up. Okay? Yeah, my name is Chameleone. Let's go to the press conference.
Murakoze cyane mwiriwe mwese abambere nshaka gushimira ni mwebwe les médias kuko murabizi neza collaboration dufitaniye murazi neza ibyadushikiye mbere mu mwaka uheze igihe covid idutera hariho ama menshi kandi twafashe kuranira rero gutangura iki kiganiro nashaka nshimire kwanza mwebwe abamenyesha makuru kuko Crystal Events nimbeshitse ayigeze nimbigeze ahiri no munsi ndazi ko hariho parti nini cyane gose ndabakeza mwebwe ko muratwurikirana ivyo dukora nimwe mushikana kure ivyo dukora byose ikindi nshaka nshimire amashirahamwe ari inyuma yacu kuko murabizi neza yuko ata sponsor ibi bintu nta na kimwe twoshobora gukora abadufashije benshi bari ngaha hanye ubundi nashaka gushimira ni Jose Chameleone ndamubwira karibu sana igihugu cy'u Burundi mwabonye neza yaduteye n'iteka yatwambariye visit Burundi nibaza ko icyo kintu tokimukomera kwa mashi karibu iwanyu wabaye mu Burundi ugakenera passport ngira n'urugo ndabashimiye cyane gose nkuko mwavyumvise tugerageze kubaza ibibazo bikenya ko murabona niho bagishika bagiye kuri aeroport mu gatondo kare bategeza kugira n'amarepetition uno munsi nejo murakoze cyane gose bivuye ku mutima iki giteramo niba cyabaye bigakunda ko kiba nashoboye gufasha n'uyu mugabo ngahanye cabinet civil yitwa Jamal shimira cyane gose Abraham reka tubane akaba yibaserukiye ari bashoboye kuduha iki kibanza aho baza kurara ibyo bafungura urabona nawe nyine natwe twamushimira cyane gose akaba yaserukiwe na mutano nanjye nanjye nibaza ko tumukomera amashyi murakoze cyane kandi abaye Jamal nawe agira icyo ashikiriza
tugira amahoro bibaza yuko byinshi umuntu yabivuze ku izina rero rya Van Beach nagashimije mwebwe abanyamedia ko muhora mwitanga kugira ibintu bibe kandi nimba twashoboye gushika ngaha kugira abantu bitabe utumire ni ingufu zanyu nagafata akanya nabashimiye kandi gukora amashi nagira nshimire kandi Paulin Crystal Event kubona yari yumviriye kuza ko dukorana kandi urabona yuko Van Beach ni beach ikwije ni beach y'amateka s'amajambo mugabo ngo turacari ko turakora turi muri chantier nibaza yuko disishuye ibintu byaba bimeze neza cyane reka rero nshimire Dr Jose Chameleone ndabwira karibu sana karibu tena nshimira n'amashirahamwe yadufashe ku mugongo aguma bikora cyane cyane muvuga banku inoti iyo ari sponsor god magavuga Brarodi nkavuga Teledis Uganda Airlines kubona yashoboye kumuzana, nkavuga za Betagazi zose n'abandi bose za Teledis, Musuma Steel, Fino, Mavetek zijya zose n'abandi bumva zishobora kubaheza bose. Nashaka mwikomera amashini mbabariga. Rero nta majambo menshi mfise novuga byinshi, nibaza yuko Crystal Events aza kuivuga. Murakoze cyane.
Kwanza nataka kumshukuru Mungu amenifikisha siku ya leo, tukutane tena na ndugu zangu wote Barundi. Nashukuru sana Crystal Events waliye mpango tuje tuwafurahishe ndugu zangu hapa Bujumbura. Ilikuwa inatakiwa niji kabla lockdown, lakini najua vile niliiba kwenye shida za dunia, tunapanga na Mungu anapanga, au sio? Mungu kaleta ile COVID, alafu tukasema hatutatoka kwenye mpango wetu, tuvumilie kidogo, alafu COVID kaishia. Ndio maana tumeamua turudie tena, lazima tuwafurahishe. Nashukuru sana Uganda Airlines, ile ndege wetu ambao wamenifikisha hapa Burundi. Ilikuwa safari njema na nimefurahi sana, asante. Na kampuni zote Bankobu, Amstel, Bluer. Lakini nashukuru sana my fans out there, watu ambao wanafurahia kazi zangu. Those are the most important people, and those are the people that have come to visit in Burundi this time around. I am a music hit machine, you know that. When I start to perform, I don't play, I don't joke, because I am born to sing and born to win. So I guarantee you, my people, okay, I want to thank the media. Waandishi wa habari nyote ambao mlipokea hoteli na sasa bado tuko pamoja. You want to make sure that everybody all around Burundi knows that Mr. Joseph Chameleone is in the building. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I want to thank nataka nishukuru sana Van Beach Management. Yeah, it's such a beautiful place where the music mess is going to happen tomorrow. I don't know, I know you guys love a lot of the music that I do, but I've come with a very big package for you. And I guarantee you the best of fun this weekend. I am pretty sure Friday is going to be the VIP, which is going to happen right here. So,
Friday.
was that Friday?
Yes. Tomorrow. Yes. VVIP.
VVIP.
Yes.
That's what you call samedi.
Samedi is the
Vendredi.
Vendredi.
Nah, Vendredi. Vendredi is tomorrow. So we're gonna have a very good time. And then Saturday, we're going to be at the
Entente sportive.
Entente sportive. I love Burundi. I love the people. You're very nice people. When I meet my Burundi, I don't care whether it's Crystal Events. I have to send my very big greetings to one of my best friends in Burundi, Mama Solo. Yeah, that's my beautiful mama. I love her so much. You know, what you guys don't know is I've been to Burundi when I was not yet a star. I've been to Burundi, I lived in Buiza for quite a while. I've been telling you this story, and I want to tell my young people here, my brothers here, my stars here, that it is the harder you knock it, is the harder it comes out. When ukiwa naishi Aisha, vitu vibaya viko hapa karibu. Lakini vitu vya amani, vitu vya maana, the good things come from deep in within. Na mimi mwenyewe niliishi pale Buiza, Mama Sori kiwa mdogo alikuwa ananipa ile pilau yake. Namshukuru sana. Hakujua siku moja nitakuwa mtu wa maana kama mimi. And she was a very good example for me. Forget about the business part of it. Burundi, you're my brothers and you're my sisters. I appreciate the support all through the years. I don't come here to play, I come here to entertain you. I come here to, you've not had very good entertainment after lockdown. Here I come. So I invite you, my people, come and enjoy the show. My name is Mr. Joseph Chameleone. Champion. What else?
Doctor.
What else? Yeah, I'm right here with my brother JJ, and this artist right here, so I think he should say something. Me, I don't know how to talk. I'm going to sing. I'm going to sing. Singing is very easy. Sing very easy. I can take you back to the time. Baby. Naomba mena wewe tuwe. Achana balu darling. Nalerio. Toka tulipokutana.
ndabahaye bwakeye mwese amamedia yose akoraniye ngaha banje kubashimira kubona mwitabiriye akamo kacu nkuko benshi bagiye barabivuga urubanza twese turaruzi ariko twebwe tukaba tuzokorana na Crystal Event ku munsi wa gatandatu kuri entente sportive. Jeni waza ko atamajambo menshi nobicisha muze muhashike mubire n'abandi bashike ibintu bizoba bimeze neza cyane. Ndabashimiye cyane.
Wagwan my people, it's your boy Batman down kala sugar body. Never give the Babylon to not get the chimbo when you invest to I don't know bombo kala. Murakoze cyane nanjye nta majambo menshi yo kuvuga kese gushimira abiyumviriye gutegura iki giteramo bakiyumvira gushyiramo urwaruka rushasha amaraso mashasha n'umuziki w'Uburundi bakadufatanya no muri legend nka Chameleone. Nitega kuri twebwe ni kimwe mu bintu byereka Urundi rwaruka yuko urwaruka turi maso dukomeye cyane. Nkuko nabivuze nta majambo menshi mfise yo kuvuga uretse gushima no kubasaba mu mukomere amashi DJ Volet kwiyumvira urwaruka rushasha. Turabashimiye cyane uzoze muri benshi mudushigikire natwe tubizeze ko tutazobatetereza turiteguye kumakira. Murakoze cyane.
Turabaye ikaze mwese abarundi bose n'abanyamahanga mwese muri mu Burundi apana bari Bujumbura gusa bose bari muri iki gihugu muze murazi neza ko ibiteramo byari byarahagaze. Nibazwa cyo giteramo ca mbere gikuru twoba dukoze muri uyu mwaka. Sasa mwese muratumiwe kuza hari igiteramo ca mbere kizoba kuwa gatanu kuri Van Beach aho bita kwa Abraham de Katubane. Hari icya kabiri kizoba kuri entente sportive. Benshi barahazi turamaze gukorera ibiteramo ni nyuma yaho bita kwa Ndadaye ni hajya muri ville. Urumva nta n'amabisi menshi munazofata ni imwe gusa. Kwinjira naho na kanoti kamwe k'ibihumbi 10 hanyuma na 50,000 muri VIP. Murahawe ikaze cyane gose muze mudushirikire muze dushire igihugu cyacu cyiza cy'u Burundi imbere no mu makungu bose babibone yuko igihugu cyacu kigenderwa n'abantu benshi cyane gose. Murakoze ndabashimiye.